Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang UP Fighting Marons 23-25, 25-18, 25-22, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Kennedy Batas sa likod ng kanang 17 points, 16 attacks, 1 block at 18 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Salarson ng 17 points, 14 attacks, 3 blocks at 10 excellent receptions. Castro 12 points, 4 blocks. Batas 17 points, 16 attacks, 1 block, 18 excellent receptions. Gopio 11 points, 2 aces. Pasinio 15 points, 1 ace, 12 digs. De Castro 14 digs. Gutierrez 3 points, 16 excellent sets. Para naman sa natalong UP Fighting Marons, Lagando 14 points, 13 attacks, 1 ace, 6 digs, 7 excellent receptions. Rahim 11 points, 9 attacks, 2 blocks. Nicolas 11 points, 5 blocks, 1 ace. Bersano 9 digs, 21 excellent sets. Santiago 9 excellent sets. Francisco 5 points. Lipata 3 points. Nag-ambag naman si Clemente ng 2 digs. Castrodes 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng FEU Tamaraws ang NU Bulldogs 27-25, 25-14, 25-23. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Drake Saavedra sa likod ng kanang 20 points, 17 attacks, 3 blocks. Nagtala naman si Betoed ng 10 points at 8 attacks. Dongala 4 points, 3 blocks. Saavedra 20 points, 17 attacks, 3 blocks. Talisayan 11 points, 3 aces, 14 excellent receptions. Mendoza 7 points, 1 ace. Sibalyo 7 digs. Espartero 2 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Cacao ng 1 point at 14 excellent sets. Para naman sa natalong NU Bulldogs, nagtala si Budin ng 12 points, 10 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Aringo 10 points, 9 attacks, 1 ace, 2 digs, 8 excellent receptions. Disquitado 4 points, 2 blocks. Gapolto 6 digs, 9 excellent receptions. Ancheta 1 point, 9 excellent sets. Mocava 4 points. Orjales 7 points. Nag-ambag naman si Tagibulos ng 5 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, winalis ng Ateneo Lady Eagles ang UP Lady Marons 25-18, 25-22, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Sofia Buena sa likod ng kanang 17 points, 15 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 6 digs at 4 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Di Guzman ng 14 points, 12 attacks, 2 aces, 6 digs, 4 excellent receptions. Minor 12 points, 4 blocks, 1 ace. Buena 17 points, 15 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 6 digs, 4 excellent receptions. Hugo 9 digs. Fujimoto 1 point, 14 excellent sets. Solet 9 points. Chuatico 5 points. Nag-ambag naman si Montoro ng 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UP Lady Marons, Habonita 11 points, 11 attacks, 10 excellent receptions. During 4 points, 4 attacks. Mangilimutan 4 points, 1 block, 2 aces at 8 excellent sets. Itang 4 points, 1 block. Kabasak 2 points, 1 ace. Isolan 7 digs, 4 excellent receptions. Olango 3 points, 4 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Siles ng 1 point. Monares 3 points. Bansel 3 points. Lauchinko 2 points. Nosiha 1 point. Pinataob naman ng NU Lady Bulldogs ang FEU Lady Tamaraws 25-15, 23-25, 24-26, 25-23, 15-8. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Alaysa Solomon sa likod na kanang 23 points, 19 attacks, 4 blocks. Nagtala si Alinsog ng 19 points, 19 attacks, 15 excellent receptions. Pangilinan 6 points, 2 blocks. Solomon 23 points, 19 attacks, 4 blocks. Belen 21 points, 7 aces, 12 digs. Maaya 1 point, 1 ace. Hardjo 16 digs. Lamina 23 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Turing ng 6 points. Mata 5 points. Paniki 3 points. Para naman sa natalong FEU Lady Tamaraws, assist 20 points, 16 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace. Bakanki 12 points, 11 attacks. Eliarina 11 points, 2 blocks. Miranda 1 point, 1 ace. Encarnacion 20 digs. Pitalyo 7 points, 11 digs, 19 excellent receptions. Obaldo 4 points, 21 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Panangin ng 2 points, Tagaod 4 points, Loresco 5 points, Divosora 3 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of February 24, 2025. FEU Tamaraws 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. NU Bulldogs 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. UST Golden Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Del Eso Green Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 2 losses 2 points. UE Red Warriors 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Adamson Soaring Falcons 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of February 24, 2025. NU Lady Bulldogs 3 win 0 loss 8 points. UP Fighting Maroons 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. UST Golden Tigresses 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Del Eso Lady Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 1 loss 2 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 2 losses 4 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 1 win 2 losses 4 points. UE Lady Warriors 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 26, 2025 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Para sa Men's Division, maglalaban ng Del Eso Green Spikers at UST Golden Spikers alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Adamson Soaring Falcons at UE Red Warriors alas 11 ng umaga. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang Adamson Lady Falcons at UE Lady Warriors alauna ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Del Eso Lady Spikers at UST Golden Tigresses alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.